describe each other with the best compliment that you can give to everyone involved. Bawal kopyahan.
In that case, mauuna na tayo. Parang bahala kayo maubusan naman. Best compliment each other. I want to say that I am so proud of everyone at this table. It's really amazing what a bunch of able women, smart, powerful women
Yes.
can make happen. Okay.
Perfect for Women's Month.
Yay!
Abante babae.
True.
Sige rin. Ako na lang para. Sige,
Kaya niyo na.
describe ko for, sige, gusto ko isa-isahin eh, best compliment.
Sige nga.
Direct Sigrid, quality, and quality kasi sa mga outputs talaga din. So, it's quality and, may isa pa direct, funny. Yeah. Direct for me.
Drama Grabe yung
Miss Elizabeth Oropesa po, of course, highly respected. And lahat naman po tayo dito highly respected, pero iba po yung na-establish po ni Miss Elizabeth. And of course, yes, well-established.
Yes.
And of course, si Glyza, alam naman natin lahat. Glyza, kahit sinasabi ng iba yan, quadruple threat talaga. Singing, dancing, parang pinerfect na niya. Acting, and composer din kasi. So, ayan, Miss Glyza. Rian, tignan mo ba lang si Rian, napaka-classy, elegant na niya. Pero at the same time, humorous si Rian. Na ano din eh, na, may side siya na very humorous. And then of course, si Miss April Martin, brilliant and smart. Sige, thank you. Okay, sige, sunod ko sa'yo, so thank you for the compliment. Si Miss Pauline, basically, highly organized and excellent. Kasama ko siya for 15, 16 years. It has always been like that. Rian, of course, extremely gorgeous naman talaga si Rian, but she's highly invested in things that she actually wants, and she's very talented. And then, Glyza, yeah, grabe, yun na yun eh. Aside from being beautiful, Glyza is extremely artistic and intelligent eh. Alam niya yung craft niya. And very committed, I should say. I should know. And then Miss Elizabeth Oropesa, veteran eh. Like, I salute her so much, a veteran actress talaga. And she's humble actually. And Direct Sigrid, ito talaga direct. Highly meticulous. Super meticulous direct sa details that to the point na okay na, ang ganda na eh. Maya-maya, ako meticulous na ako, but yung pagiging meticulous niya sa details, ibang level. So, high standards ang sa director.
Lovely compliments all around. I think for the amount of times that humor has been mentioned, we can get a glimpse of how fun it was on your set. And I'm sure that will translate to the movie. Now there's a cute question for everyone except Miss Rian and Miss Glyza. If you were to star in a girl love film, who would you want to be paired with? Or maybe, additional question. Kasi paired na daw sila. So direct, kung ikaw to mag-girl love.
Ako talaga to.
Or maybe aside from that, who else would you want to see in a film like this?
Ikaw muna.
Mas madali na ako na mag-start. For me, it's sige, it's Michelle D for me, just in case. Kasi pair na kayo, di ba? Okay.
Very producer.
Very, may pagsabi kay Michelle D, that I really can produce for her. That I can do, joke lang. Maybe, Nadine Lustre.
Yes.
Ikaw naman.
Nanay ni Michelle D. Hindi ba?
I think may nabubuo ng konsepto dito. Direct?
Ay, di sa kanilang dalawa, di ba? Ako yung third party. Ang hirap naman. naman. Ayaw kasi baka magsabi na I'm playing favorites. Siyempre, dito na ako kay Rian and Liza, no? Dahil
Yes.
sila yung naka-work ko. So, I would love to act with them. Well, kung gusto nila. Kung gusto nila. Yun lang.
Alright. Well, now, considering how important and from this whole production, or like a lesson that you, na ibabaon nyo from I Felt Inspired.
Siyempre ako alam ko yan. Kayo muna. Sabi ko kasi siyempre ako na yung last siguro kasi ako yung moment, di ba? Kayo, gusto ko marinig ko ano yung takeaway nyo raw.
I've done quite a few films similar to this. The first one was with Alma Moreno. We did a kissing scene as well. Si Malakas, si Mahinhin, si Maganda. And it was scandalous at that time. Pero wow, box office siya dahil totoong nangyayari. Ang takeaway dyan, dapat tanggapin kung ano yung iniibig, sino ang iniibig, basta pag-ibig. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Kasi ang dami na ngayong parang nahihirapan ng mga tao na tanggapin na maaring umibig sa magkaparehong gender. Parang hanggang ngayon, meron pa rin kapirasong ang tawag na tabu. Di ba? Kunyari, pag-uusapan pero mamaya. So, ang takeaway ko dito, mas marami na siguro ngayong tumatanggap na totoong nangyayari ang mga bagay na ganito at dapat lawakan ng kaunti ang pag-iisip ng ibang sarado. Yun lang po. Direk.
Takeaway muna.
Kasi ako ano naman, pagdating sa process, kasi nabanggit din yung process ng pelikula, sobrang grateful lang ako to be surrounded with powerful women na sobrang driven, sobrang passionate for this film to happen. Ang dami po namin dinaanan talaga. Katulad nung nabanggit ni Ms. April kanina, ilang taon din. Parang nung nag-SMARTCON tayo, that was I think November. Diba? So hindi po siya nangyari kaagad. Pero kailangan namin i-trust yung isa't isa at respetuhin yung isa't isa para po mangyari to. So I think those are very important elements. And yun yung takeaway ko na respect and trust. We're just also so happy na si Direk Sigrid yung director namin. Kasi nung nasabi pa lang po sa amin yung konsepto na to, first thing in mind sa akin, sabi ko gusto ko ng babaeng director. Kasi I feel more comfortable dahil sa point of view ng babae, di ba? Mas nasa same wavelength kami. And at the same time, yung mga producers din namin, yung konsepto nila nito, very, sa kanila, very personal. Sila po talaga yung nag-conceptualize nitong pelikula nito. And kailangan ng mga tamang tao sa proyekto na to para ma-execute po siya ng maayos. And we're just very excited for you guys to see it. Ako din, hindi pa namin napapanood yung trailer. So, tinatrust namin na magiging maganda po to. And with your help then to spread the word, I know that we will be able to for this film to be a success. Para po mas marami pang tao ang makapanood, maging aware. So, ayun.
Mine is also about the process, pero it's also related to life. Yung parang na-learn ko yung importance of being open and adjustable to any situation changing. So Direk Sigrid is very particular and she knows exactly what she wants, which I appreciate. Siyempre, me as an actor, beforehand, pag binabasa ko, may concept din ako of what I think the scene is gonna be. But when we do it, and whenever she wants another attack, I'm always ready to abandon all of my thoughts and go with hers. And I think it's also the same with life, na I think a person's success will always depend on how adjustable they are. Because you can have a plan, and if it changes, life will not follow your plan. you have to follow life. So you have to be ready to abandon the plan and go with the flow also.
Hello? Love is genderless.
Short but impactful. Love that. How about you, Miss April, to round off this question?
Siguro yung magpipinali pala ako. Ano? Teka, wait. Yeah. Ako siguro yun nga, yung process, siguro parang to summarize everything. Kasi, ewan ko sa dami ng proyektong ginawa ko, sa dami ng negosyong ginagawa namin, napaka meaningful sa akin ng movie project na to. This is our third movie But siguro this movie has taught us also to actually jump out of our comfort zones. Kasi usually pag executive producers, ito rin gawin mo. Pero hindi, nakuyat din ako sa kami, ni Direk, nagpapaturo ako sa kanya. Like meron kami yung di ba Direk, nagtatawagan. Ano yung mga one-on-one, may ganun kami na ganito. May lessons ako. Siguro that's one thing that I really love about this project. Na hindi lang ako nag-stick sa kung ano yung alam ko trabaho ko. Actually, nag-explore ako, kaya minahal ko ng sobra tong proyekto na to. So yun. Direct?
Ako as a director and writer, siguro yung mga press dito, ilang beses na tayo nag-meet tuwing gumagawa ko ng pelikula. Kung mapapansin niyo po, every time na gumagawa ako ng pelikula, very important po kasi sa akin kung anong klaseng pelikula yung gagawin ko, kung anong purpose po ito. And very important po sa akin yung mga makakatrabaho ko. Especially with this kind of movie na meron tayong pinaglalaban, meron tayong statement na which is of course very obviously love is genderless. Love knows no boundaries, pero very important sa akin yung mga katrabaho ko, kung ano yung take din nila dito sa pelikula, kung ano yung opinion nila sa ganitong subject matter. Kaya ako pinauna nga sila kasi para sure. Pero very sensitive yung subject matter na to, so it's very important for me as a director na hindi lang po ako lang yung nakikipaglaban dito. Very important sa akin ang producer ko and definitely, of course, my actors na naniniwala din sila sa pinaglalaban ng pelikulang ito. And I'm just so grateful na nung una pa lang namin meet, yun agad kasi tinanong ko what's their take in the LGBTQ community? And hindi lang sila kumukuha ng role for what? For clout? For wala lang? Magkaroon lang ng ibang klaseng role? Very important yung pagiging sensitive sa subject matter. So I think parang sa akin, yun yung takeaway ko as personally, as a creator of this project na dapat kung ano man yung gagawin ko ng mga ganitong klaseng proyekto ay importante yung magiging mga katrabaho mo. Kaya pag dumating yung panahon na ipalabas ito, lahat kami, buo kami na nakikipaglaban kung ano yung sinasabi ng pelikula. And with regards to kung ano man yung takeaway na sana makuha nyo sa pelikula, hindi lang naman to about gender It's really about love, you know. It's really about love. It's really about, minsan kasi pag nagmahal tayo, tapos nawasak ka, paano ka ulit babangon para magmahal ulit? You know, when you get hurt, you build walls around you. You become strong. So, lagi tayong careful about love. Yun yung character ni Anne. She got hurt, and she built walls around her, and lahat, laging nakatiptoe siya. Ayaw niyang masaktan ulit. Ganun tayo pag nasasaktan. Pero here comes another entity, Chicks, who is, she doesn't care about rules. She doesn't care about getting hurt because it's natural. Lahat tayo masasaktan, hindi perfect ang mundo. Okay? So nandyan siya, reminding us na sometimes, it's just feelings, you know? Kailangan natin pakiramdaman. Hindi tayo kailangan lagi planado. Gaya nga ng sabi ni Rian kanina, may mga bagay kami sa shoot, kumbaga na pinoplano mo, hindi naman nangyari. So dapat ready ka rin doon. Kaya even with the title, you know, lagi tayong babagsak sa buhay natin. We always fall. Hindi natin, lagi tayong matatapilok sa life natin. But it's fine. So it's really yun talaga yung takeaway ng pelikula. No matter kung saan ka man, figuratively, mabagsak ka, kung saan man bumagsak, madapa ka, yeah, ang importante kung paano ka babawa. I thank you. Candidate number 1.